A while back, I made a video about this special edition Zippo lighter of the 2011 Asia sales meeting, which I highlighted about these crappy finishes and paint job on such a rare edition. What a shame it has been. And after some decisions, here's what I'm going to do to it. This, by the way, made in 2010. What I'm going to do to this is to use it. Therefore, this lighter shall be put to good use as my new everyday use piece. And that solid brass received back from the repair clinic shall be retired, stored somewhere, and this shall take over. So if such a crappy paint job had to fall off without doing anything, then so be it. Let's just put it to use and see what comes upon from there. All right. Then it does not. Ugh.